12-piece magnetic nut driver. Take a look. So this is a 12-piece nut driver set. Now this is a heavy-duty set. This isn't like those little tiny ones that you get in those little packs. These are long reach, impact grade, CRV, and you get SAE, a 1/4 inch, that's the one you always use, that 1/4 inch up to 9/16, and then 8 mil up to 14 mil. So here's my 10 mil, that'd be my other favorite one. But what's great about them is the magnet inside. It's not just a little magnet, it's a serious magnet. So if you're working with steel bolts, it's going to hold. Because even in the big guy, the 14 mil, the magnet gets bigger. So it adjusts for the size of the bolt. Again, impact grade, nice little case. Fairly labeled fairly well. You can see up here on the texture. Each one is labeled itself, but it's just paint, so you know those wear off over time. But for the money, great value.